Hey, what's going on, everyone? Jeremy here again with another video about Theta and why I think it is absolutely the future. But before I get to that, if you want to follow along in my journey as I try to make money any way I can online, legally, of course, then subscribe, hit the bell icon so you don't miss a thing. Let me jump over to the computer here. I want to show you something. Somebody on the last video commented about this, and I think it's huge. Yesterday, March 15th, Theta got another patent, U.S. patent. Second U.S. patent for high transaction throughput micropayments to support decentralized video and data. This is huge, guys. So listen, if we come over to this article here, talks about the patent that they got. Patent number is here. Methods and systems for blockchain incentivized data streaming and delivery over a decentralized network. This patent focuses on unsolved need to design a unique and trusted payment system powered by blockchain. And here's the reason. This right here, CDN networks are predicted by Cisco to carry 72% of internet traffic by 2022. And the issue that these CDNs or content delivery networks are facing is that last mile. So they've got the data stored in their data center, but it's getting it out to all of the users that need it. And you know, 4K, 8K, 360, virtual reality, streaming, all that is coming. And it's not there yet, and it's very expensive for these companies to pay for the bandwidth to cover that. And that's where Theta kicks in, because it essentially decentralizes that. The easiest way I could find to explain this is if you think about Napster or BitTorrent back in the day. You know, everybody sort of hosts files on their computers, and then if you want to download something, you grab a little bit from each different computer out there. That's kind of the idea of how Theta will work, except it'll work with data streams, and you'll be incentivized. You'll get payments of T-Fuel for sharing your bandwidth and sharing your computer resources and storage. And what I like about this, it says here there's an unsolved need to design a payment system for decentralized data streaming and delivery, including decentralized video streaming with support for high transaction throughput. And that's the key here, because if they've got ultimately millions of edge nodes running on the Theta network, then all these computers are going to be basically sharing parts of a stream, and there's got to be a way to track that and make those payments. And that's essentially what this second patent is that they've acquired. And they've got a couple neat illustrations here that I think might help explain essentially what's happening here. So all these V's are viewers, people watching videos. And traditionally, the way that would work is all these viewers would have to connect back to the CDN. And the CDN would have to push out all of these streams to every single one of these viewers. But with the Theta network and with their next generation delivery protocol, they're basically, you're interspersing these edge nodes, or edge cachers they call them here. And then these viewers don't have to connect directly to the CDN. So the CDN is basically pushing a stream here. They're pushing it to this viewer because that's the closest place. They're pushing it to these edge cachers. And then all these other viewers and edge cachers are grabbing the stream through somebody else. And so it is essentially distributing the load across the entire network. And all of these people are essentially earning T-Fuel by saying, yes, I'll share my bandwidth, and yes, I will share my computer resources and storage. So that's it in a nutshell. But I think that just the fact that they've acquired 2 patents now for this, and just how revolutionary this whole project is, there is so much potential for Theta. So listen, if you like these kind of videos, be sure to hit subscribe. Like this video if you do, share it with your friends, and I'll see you on the next one.